Hi there, I'm Artemi, a Salesforce admin at Enway. In this 6th Q&A episode, I'll show you how to use Einstein Activity Capture to sync emails between Gmail and Salesforce and track when they're opened. Previously, syncing emails required a Chrome extension and manual linking for each email. Now, there is a better way. With the Einstein Activity Capture feature, available in every Salesforce edition, you can connect your email and calendar accounts to Salesforce. Emails and events are automatically added to the Activity tab in related Salesforce records. Let's set it up step by step. First, go to Setup, navigate to Inbox, and ensure the external email tracking feature is enabled. Next, locate Einstein Activity Capture in Setup. Select Google G Suite, choose User Level, and name your configuration. Click Next. For this example, select Emails only, but you can also sync events and contacts. Keep the default advanced settings as there are. Then choose which users will use this configuration. Select users with the Einstein Activity Capture standard permission set. A little reminder: the Einstein Activity Capture standard permission set is already created and includes all the permissions needed to use Activity Capture. All you need to do is assign the permission set to users. The standard Einstein Activity Capture permission set is for users who don't have a Sales Cloud Einstein, Inbox, or Sales Engagement license. You can assign the permission set to up to 100 Sales Cloud users. On the next step, you can exclude addresses such as those from your internal domain. Afterward, define how new Einstein Activity Capture users share activities. Leave the default Don't Share option for this example. Once everything is set, click Finish. After that, you need to connect Salesforce and user's Google account. In User Settings, navigate to Email and Calendar accounts and click New Account. Select Connect Google Account, follow the prompts and complete the setup. A green banner at the top of the page will confirm that Einstein Activity Capture is ready for the user. Let's test in action. When a new email from lead appears in Gmail, let's navigate to the leads record in Salesforce and refresh the Activity tab. The email is already linked automatically, and previous email will sync within 24 hours. To test outbound email, I can pose an email to the lead directly from Salesforce. The status will show as unopened. I check Gmail and the email is there. Once the recipient opens the email, the status in Salesforce updates to opened. With Einstein Activity Capture, email syncing has never been easier. Give it a try. If you need more complex automation, Enway is here to help. Check the link in the description. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe for more Q&A episodes. Drop your questions in the comments if you want us to answer them. See you next time!